What's out? What's out? So we're currently in Hosier Lane, the graffiti alleys, as you can see. A lot of graffiti, a lot of swear words.
We're vlogging.
Okay, we are now going for a walk along the river.
Angles.
Okay, hello guys, we went on a walk and we are now at the river. The river. There's not much here, it's just a bridge, there's some water. It's very nice water. It's quite clean considering.
Moist toy.
Very nice. Oh, sea life. I guess that's like SeaWorld for
Where's that?
Victoria. So we just got done at the Immigration Museum and now we are going to Docklands. We are now going into Docklands and we will update you later.
Just do the stupid intermissions. You don't even need talking.
Well. Hi guys, we've just been arrested for jaywalking. So this is our new cell. We did get given this box.
It has some blankets.
Yeah, I think that's actually
nice coat.
That might be a coat. Yeah, we got a coat and a box. This is our entire room.
So we have 2 windows this time.
Yes.
An improvement.
Yeah, so we did get moved up just because there's 2 of us.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Offices and.
We are going
Let's go around.
on a tour. Sunia's taking me on a tour.
So this is. Hold on, guys. I'm too exposed. Princess.
Yeah.
I'm too exposed.
I don't really have any good quality content, but this video has already, like, I started editing.
You know your game's on your phone. Like
Subscribe
and turn the notifications.